This video is going to show you how to change the battery for these types of Mercedes-Benz keys. You might need to change the battery if you think the key is not working correctly. For example, when you press the switches on the key, they might not work, or the LED light on the key does not flash, or you might get an error message on the dash to change key batteries. Another type of error message you might get is saying key not detected. To replace the battery, first release the key blade. You do that by sliding this piece of plastic all the way across, and at the same time you'll be able to release the key blade. Now use the key blade and put the blade into this part of the key. And all I'm going to do is push. It now releases the plastic cover. That comes off. This is what I was pushing inside the key to release this plastic cover. There's the battery. And to get it out, all I'll do is pop it out like that. Get your replacement battery. This one I got from my local Mercedes-Benz dealer. Now put the battery into the key, then put the plastic cover back on. All I'll do is push that in. Now put the blade back into the key. To test the key, just press a switch and you'll see the LED just flashes. That means the key is working. That's how to change the battery for the Mercedes-Benz key. Top tip: whenever you go to a Mercedes-Benz dealer to have a major service, take both keys, and the batteries for both keys will be replaced as complimentary. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching and take care.